Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Bani Abdul Aziz and I will be presenting to you my entrepreneur project. So, the business concept that I want to create is a car cleaning service at home. This is a new type of cleaning service because usually people go to the cleaning service at a shop. But I see that by using this new strategy, I will create a new business opportunity for myself. So why do I choose car cleaning service? Well, I decided because if you look at the usual car cleaning services, they are very costly, or should I say very expensive. The price ranges approximately at 3,000, but I heard that people it is more expensive, between 4,000 to 5,000, which is straight out of option as a user. This is why I can see this opportunity and I want to do something about it. I felt that I can serve the customer better while providing a subpar quality services like big cleaning car services like 3M, while maintaining those more affordable prices. So for the customer expectation, our business our business is targeted at customers who have vehicles. As you can see here, we are targeting vehicle types such as sedans, MPV, small pickup trucks, vans, and hatchbacks. So, as you can see at the slide, we have sedans, for example, Proton Saga. So, at the bottom right, at the bottom left, we have our MPV, such as Exora, or maybe other examples that you can think of. The middle one is van. Usually, the model that people usually use is Toyota Hiace, and the hatchback is at the top right, which is the Pro 2 Asia, and then lastly our small pickup trucks, which I can give example, Hilux, or maybe um, Hilux. So for the operational strategy, we are given 5,000 as our budget to create a business. So it is quite limited for those who wants to have a shop, because the rent is not logic. Consider the budget. We decided that we won't be renting a shop, renting a physical shop. However, we only use van that I already have, which is going to further reduce the cost. As we starting small business, our business location must be small so that we can fully accept any request without being short-handed on our labor power. So we only operate at Subang Jaya district, which you can see here. It is quite small. Why Subang? Why do I choose Subang Jaya? Well, Subang Jaya is a district with a moderate size area, but with high dense population. So for me, it is suitable for us to operate, in which we can cover the whole uh, city without any problem. I will regarding the pandemic. We already know that people cannot be together at one place because we have to be distance ourselves, so that there will be lesser chance of the virus COVID-19 spreading. So we use this as an advantage to make services while following the standard operating procedure, uh, in which SOP are regulated by the government. So for the financial analysis, uh, we are dividing into three parts, which is the first one is administrative expenses, the second one is marketing expenses, and the last one is operational expenses. Before I present to you our financial analysis, let us tell you our services pricing. So as you can see at the bottom left, we have our prices, and regarding with the description. So you can see that our normal wash is priced at 25 ringgit. Rims and headlamp cleaning services is 15 ringgit. For interior, we are charging 200, which is very cheap. Consider the services that we provide. So if you can compare with our services charges price to other company, our price is approximately half or maybe even low than other competitors. So we are very proud that we can give you such quality services um, while maintaining the price. So okay, let me continue. The exterior, we have our wax services, which costs 300 ringgit. Our polish is 240 ringgit, and for coating is 350 ringgit. So for our administrative, let's continue with our financial analysis. Mm, as you can see that we only hire 2 workers, so that we can further reduces our cost. Mm, our cost of hiring a worker is 70 ringgit per day during their work. So if you're renting 2 people, it will cost about 140 ringgit per day, and approximately one customer, we are dedicated to have 2 days to finish whatever the services they are requesting. So in 2 days, we can serve one customer. Uh, this is the beginning, so we cannot provide many services to many customers because we only start at a small scale. So for the marketing expenses, we do not have one because we only use platforms such as Instagram and Facebook, which does not cost any ringgit or any cost. This is done only by myself. So for the lastly, for the operational expenses, mm, this is our true cost that which um, for as you can see that we have interior detailing. So it costs about 30 ringgit per customer. At the middle, you can see that our service provide such as clean seat, lubricate mechanical parts. We are polishing the vinyls at your seat or your dashboard, or and plastic such as your cup holder or maybe even steering and others. So for waxing, the cost is about 150 ringgit per customer. So what does um uh, the middle part shows you the our equipment that we needed, such as foam finishing sponge pads, paste wax, uh, and as you can read the rest, but I will go through it fastly. For polish, it is cost about 60 ringgit per customer, 120 ringgit for coating. That is all, but the bottom one, which is the last part, it is machineries and other tools. So this is the part that we only buy once because it is machine, so we can use it um, many times. So you can see that we are buying buffer or orbiter for waxing and polishing. We have vacuum, wet and dry, our water jet, and such other tools. So we are allocating 700 ringgit for wet dry vacuum, water jet, and other tools. For buffer or orbiter, we are allocating 200. And the last part, other one-time purchases, we are allocating like 200 ringgit for anything that might be needed. So for the business operation, in order to succeed, we have three parts that we are stressing. So the first one is strategic planning, which is very important. The second part is marketing, and the last one is sales. So let me continue further with is strategic planning as the first one. So so for our strategic planning, our aim is to be a large company in Malaysia to give car cleaning service at your home. So in order to do that, we are planning to enlarge our business after this, not only in Subang Jaya district but in Selangor and also other states as well. Our goal is to deliver the best experience to our customers and spread their feedbacks. At the same time, we can prove that our service is top-notch and reliable, with uh, and our company is competitive with other companies. So that is our strategy planning. Planning for our marketing. uh, we are promoting our services using social media as a platform, because it is quite it does not cost a cent. So we are currently leaning towards Facebook and Instagram because it is most used and trending app in the market, in the internet. Sorry. Other than that, it is easy to promote there because they have a platform dedicated to small entrepreneurs who can make their business big easily. So the other advantages, which is they have a built-in business account, so it is easy to use for us entrepreneurs. So lastly, for the sales, we are targeting our business profits at around 3,000 to 5,000 monthly. So in order to achieve our target, we would have to make a minimum target, which we service our customers. In this, we are only targeted for minimum 10 customers in a month. So for a starting business, it is easy to handle the amount of customer with our labor power, which is only 2 people. So if the business is booming, we are planning to hire more workers and a team manager so that the work will be more efficient and will increase our productivity. So that's all from me. I thank you very much for your for lending your ears to hear my presentation. So I will end this piece. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And thank you very much.